Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorial we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial we'll look at the new version of program 290.3. I will compare this with previous one 290.2. We have new object, content slider object. This is a new element in the main object of the program. It allows you to create a slider containing images, text and button. Content slider object supports responsive design. Let's see settings. Let's create our first slide. We can set as a background color or picture. Let's set main picture. Let's add some description. Let's add button text and set a link. You can set any action. I will choose website page. And add another slide. I add 5 slides. Let's see what we've got. By clicking on the button, we go to our page. Let's see what styles do we have here. We can change the layout, we can change height, we can change effects, we can show navigation bullets, change their style, change style of the arrows, change color style for each element, title, description and button. Let's see what we've got. Here we can see changes, we can see animation. Let's change the layout. I will copy this object here. For example, like this. Let's change title font, make it bigger, change the color and enable autoplay. Let's look on another layout. As you can see, the slider is responsive. Here is another layout with the text over the image. The next new object is button object, but it's not exactly new button. Buttons have been in the program for a long time. There are various paid button objects. The innovation in this object that it's free, but with a limited set of options compared to the paid objects. There are not many settings, but it is enough to create a button. You can change background color, text color, you can set margins, let's change mouse over color, let's change border radius, and set an action. As in the previous object, you can set any action and set a tooltip. Let's see what we've got. Here is our button. The new version of program have several optimization tools: image optimization, file minification, and JZip compression. In an article on my blog, I present a table comparing the degree of image compression and the final size. I recommend enable these options and set maximum image optimization. But if the image quality doesn't suit you, then you can choose medium, minimum, or even non-image optimization. The next new feature is Help toolbar. Let's see. Here we can enable Show Tips. If program window width is more than 130 pixels, a special panel with thematic help information will apply on the right side. The panel can be displayed by clicking on this. You can show or hide it. Also, there are new links to new help center. For Pro version of the program, 10 new templates were added, plus 5 old templates for Ever and Pro were updated. Each of the new template and updated template contains slider object. You can see them here. Also, there is new section in template selection called New. The Object Manager window has been updated to simplify search for necessary object. There is new category used in project. It shows the objects that are used in current project. This is my test site, so I use a lot of objects. Also, there is update of thumbnail styles in gallery object. In the next video, we'll talk about other useful objects and settings that will help you to work with the program.